How to add a credit card in Google Play in Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can add credit card in Google Play in Android. So let's just jump right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to add credit card to Google Play, you need to follow up the steps. So for that, you can head over to Play Store itself and open up the Play Store. And once you are there, once you are in Play Store, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So what you need to do next is tap on the profile at the top right corner of your screen, and this opens up. And from here, you need to head over to payments and subscriptions. And from this option, you should be finding payment methods, subscription, budget and history, and redeem code. So what you need to do is go ahead and tap on the first option that says payment methods. And once you are here, you should be finding an option which is add credit card or debit card. So just go ahead and tap on it, and here all you need to do is enter your card number, your card date, and their security code. After that, tap on Save Card and your card will be added in Google Play. So that is how you add credit card on Google Play. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.